I think you know what I can do.
All right, today we got a box of 2020 Flawless. Try to see if we get something good. Another unlicensed product, but hopefully we get some really nice hits out of here. Try to do this where I don't cheat. I have a couple extra cards here I'm just going to use. Usually I use a filler, but I don't have any, so I don't want to cheat on this. Actually, I do have, I can use the diamond certified thing in here, so let's pull out the pack first. All right. So we'll start off with the blockchain card. All right, let's see what we get here. Blockchain. We have a BC Great Stool memorabilia autograph, Rod Carew. First card, nice patch, Wander Franco. 6 of 15. Next card, oh nice, Robert Hornsby. Dual jersey, 6 of 15. Still love the old school guys. Next card, Miguel Tejado auto, 1 out of 10. Next card, Elroy Face auto, dual relic, 10 of 20. The Hawk, Andre Dawson, 7 of 15. Dustin May, auto patch, 1 of 1. Very clean. I love that patch. Next card, ooh, not Nolan Ryan, auto relic, 5 of 7. Glad to have another auto of his in my collection. Then Anthony Rizzo, 18 of 20 auto. All right, and for the 2 cards inside, for the first one, let's see what we get. Is that Big Poppy? Nope, Jordan Alvarez, 3 of 20, diamond card. I got so many Jordan Alvarez, it's crazy. And for the last one, let's see what we get here. All right. Legendary Babe Ruth, dual relic, 4 of 7. Hell yeah, that's kind of what I was hoping for. I'm very happy with that. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.